There are many obvious advantages to solving the issue of depression among college students. It has been said that treating depression can lead to a healthier lifestyle overall. According to Nyana Armadaker, MD, depression takes a toll on your body. Treating it can lead to pain relief, better sleep, and sharper thinking. Along with getting back on track health-wise, you will return to a more normal sleep schedule, which has been seen to have benefits on its own. College students face a tremendous amount of stress, whether it be from their teachers, deadlines, or just life in general. Depression and stress go hand in hand, so eliminating depression would ultimately lead to solving much of the stress that students face. One of the most obvious benefits of treating depression is that students would perform better in school. They would be more enthusiastic about learning and would be more motivated to do their work. Finally, students would feel like their lives had less chaos and like they were in more control. The Help Guide says that you can get back the energy that you once had, as well as the clarity that you need to take on everyday life.